Hi guys. So this video is my version of the iced gingerbread oat milk chai that is served at Starbucks. I have gotten addicted to it, and so instead of going to Starbucks and spending tons of money, I decided to try to make it myself so I can have it anytime I want for free. So this is how I make it. If you love gingerbread, then you probably love this drink from Starbucks. So this is how you can make it at home. So first I have the oat milk that you can get from any grocery store. And get this is Chobani oat milk, or Silk makes oat milk too. I'm gonna put some ice in my mixer, and you can put as much ice as you want. I just put a little bit of ice. I don't really measure. I'm just doing it for the sake of this video. I usually just eyeball it and do 1-to-1 ratio. So put my oat milk in, and then I have the Tazo gingerbread spice latte. This is from Amazon, and I can leave the link to the page in my description box. But this I can't find anywhere else but at Amazon, and sometimes it goes out of stock. I think it just came back in stock at Amazon. So put some of that in there. And again, you can do 1-to-1 ratio. I usually do like a cup. So this is the gingerbread syrup. It is by Fabbri, and I can leave the link for this as well. It is on Amazon. This is the gingerbread syrup. And if you guys know, I'm a baker on the side, so I'm used to just eyeballing stuff. And the good thing about making it yourself is that you don't have to tell Starbucks, can I get 2 or 3 more pumps of whatever extra to make it, you know, really gingerbready or whatever you're getting. And then this is ground nutmeg, and I put some of that over in there. Just a little, sprinkle a little bit in there. Put the cap on and mix, blend. That should be enough. My cup. And again, if it's not gingerbread-ish enough for you, just put some more syrup in it. If you want more ice, put more ice in it. So after that, I have some whipped cream. And then I put a little bit more, get that out of the way, nutmeg right on top of there, like so, like that. And there you have it. Your iced gingerbread oat milk chai. It is so good. If you love gingerbread or gingerbread cake or gingerbread cookies, this is it. This is the bomb. You're welcome.